welcome to MaseroGarage. In today's video we're going to be showing you how we removed the doors off of this Chevy Nova.
Yes, this Chevy Nova is our parts car and we removed some parts from here to use in our other Nova. We took the doors off and we recorded it for you guys, so if you want to see how we did that, make sure to stick around. Here you can take a look of the door hinges that we'll have to remove. You can see here there is a pin in the farthest side from the car, and all we have to do is hammer them from the bottom and push them up. In case you don't see it very well later, because I'm removing it from the inside of the car, this is the pin that you'll have to remove for the bottom hinge. We're going to start with the top hinge. It's really useful to have a second person lift up the door a little bit to get the weight off the hinge, otherwise it will be really hard to get the pin up. I'm just tapping the pin from the bottom and it should come out. This one was a little bit stubborn, so we ended up using just some pliers to pull from the top and it came right out. You can see here the pin that we removed. We did it from the front because we have the fender removed, but it can be done from the inside as well. This view is not as good because the pin is farther back, so it's hard to see, but just tap it from the bottom and it should come out just like the front one. And that's really it. With the help of somebody, just lift at the door and you'll be done with this process. Doors are off. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video.
Yes, and since this is our parts car, there's going to be a lot of parts that we use for our Nova, but there's going to be plenty that we don't use. So if you have a 4th gen Nova and are in need of some parts, let us know in the comments below and maybe we can make something happen. Maybe what we're not using could be your treasure.
Yes.
But make sure to like and subscribe and we'll see you soon.
Bye bye.